How to turn off message delivered tickmark on Messenger. Now without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, head over to your application Messenger. Make sure you are logged into your account. So first of all, let's head over to your settings and turn off this activity status. It will just turn off activity status, but of course it is not going to turn off message delivered tickmark. The other thing you can do is, if it's just a specific person that you don't want to show the delivered tickmark, then what you can do is long press the profile of the person. The option of restrict will be visible to you. Tap on it. It will restrict and then move this chat out of the site at the same time. And it is also not going to let them know that the message has actually been delivered. If you want to unrestrict the person, then what you need to do is, in the search bar, search for their profile name. Head over to their profile. The option of restrict will be visible to you. If you want to unrestrict this person, then what you need to do is just tap on it. If the restrict option doesn't work, then in the next step what you can do is head over to your settings. Move into apps. Search for the application Messenger and then head over to it. Tap on notifications. Scroll down and you need to enable these two options, chats and calls. This way the Messenger won't let them know that the message has actually been delivered. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to turn off message delivered tickmark on Messenger. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.